Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome to Kashyap's Academy, the well-known CBSE coaching center in Laturpeta. Dear parents, this video is specially made for our parents and students who are learning in CBSE abroad India, mostly from the Gulf countries. This video is made for the course that we are introducing for the Gulf students of CBSE class 9 and class 10. Subjects that have been offered in this course are mathematics and science. Let me introduce about my class, my academy, Kashyap's Academy, and we are working here in Latur since from the last 10 years in different CBSE schools. Our team have worked in different CBSE schools, junior colleges, and we are giving solutions to all the students from class 9 up to the class 12 in here itself in Laturpeta. But right now from this year, due to COVID, we have the inquiries from the Gulf countries also. We have inquiries from Delhi and outside the Latur students also, since we are taking online classes. But what I found, when a student from other countries have joined in our CBSE classes, we are using somehow Hindi plus English language, but they are not comfortable with it. They have the different, though the syllabus is same, their exam patterns due to their particular situation of the countries, their what we call it as the days and their festivals, they have this another pattern of following the examinations. Means two months are there and they have the gap like this. But here in India, somehow the same pattern is repeated. Okay, CBSE syllabus and curriculum is same for final examination of class 9 and class 10. But then we decide to move on to a separate course for the Gulf students. And right now, I am discussing about that course in this video. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you want to know our previous results, go to our Facebook page and you can check our previous results also. If you have still any query, you can contact me on the given number which is in the description itself, and here also in this video you will get that number. Contact on that number and you can ask me the other details. But I am trying to explain you all the concepts regarding this course in this video itself. Thank you. So dear parents and students, this is the pay structure that we are following for our Gulf CBSE course of class 9 and class 10. So here are the classes, class 9. For mathematics subjects, we are charging 400 dirham per month, and for science, we are charging 350 dirham per month for class 9 CBSE course. If you take both the courses of mathematics and science, then there will be 750 dirhams per month. But we are offering, if you take it both the courses, then it will be 650 dirhams for all the students, those wherever they are joining. And if they join before 10th of July, now we are starting the course on 10th of July next, but if they join before 12th of July, there will be 50 dirham discount, and combiningly this course for class 9 will cost to be 600 dirhams per month. If they join it before 12th of July, means 8th and 9th, there will be the demo lecture. Then you can decide whether you want to continue with our or not. And the same structure, just 50 dirhams are added. In class 10, mathematics will be 450 dirhams per month. Science will be 400 dirham per month. And if you take it combinedly, it will become 850. But if you take both the courses from our side, you will cost 750. And also, if you combinedly consider this course before 12th of July, you will get a discount of more 50 dirhams and you will be costing 700 dirhams per month. So this is the pay structure for class 9 and class 10 Gulf courses. So the next question that comes in your mind will be how to join the course. So dear parents and students, along with the description of this video and also with the information of this video, we are providing a WhatsApp group link for class 9 and class 10 students of Gulf countries. Join that group. Once you join the group, we will update you the timings, the schedulings, and the applications that we are using for taking the video classes online, also the notes, the PDF format of the notes or the examinations, also the homeworks, their assessments. All the things are done by that WhatsApp group, and updation will be given on that WhatsApp group. You join the WhatsApp group, or if you have any problem, you can contact me on the number given below in the description also and in the video also. Or once you join the group, by looking at the admins, you can find out my number and you can call me at any time for the next updations of the bank payments and all other details, and also about how we are conducting. We will be sharing it on a group. What is the timing, which apps you need to install, and once the student join, he or she can see the lectures for the 2 days, and then you can decide. But from 10th of July, next 10th date, we are starting our course. Please join the group. Please share the video to the other parents also in your contacts, other students also, who are the friends of your child. Please share this video with all the other students and parents with your contact, and share, subscribe the channel, and join the WhatsApp group for more details. Thank you and have a nice day.